Welcome to my channel, Comfy Foods by Cass. Today I am preparing chicken koftas. So let's get started. For the chicken kofta, we need 500 grams of ground chicken mince, half of a red onion grated, 2 teaspoons parsley, 1 teaspoon mint. If you prefer to use fresh herbs, you can go ahead and do so. 1 teaspoon ground coriander, a handful of coriander leaves, half a teaspoon of sumac, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of black pepper, extra virgin oil to fry and also to bring mixture together, and some bread crumbs to bind the kofta together. We also need 1 garlic clove chopped up into slices and 1 deep frying pan to fry the chicken koftas in. In a mixing bowl, let's add in our ground chicken mince. I'm adding grated red onion, 1 teaspoon of parsley, half a teaspoon of mint, half a teaspoon of sumac, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, about a quarter teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and let's mix them all together. Once it's nicely mixed together, we're going to add 1 garlic clove chopped, continue mixing, and now let's add about half a teaspoon of salt and about a quarter cup of breadcrumbs. Let's mix it all well together. Finally, let's drizzle some olive oil to let them all combine together as well. I'm going to chop the coriander and add it to the kofta mixture as well. Let's mix it in. We've just mixed the coriander into the kofta mixture. Now we will refrigerate it for 20 minutes and thereafter we'll fry it. Okay, it's 20 minutes. I am going to wet my hand in a bowl of cold water so that I can touch the kofta mixture and it won't stick. I'm going to take about that size of the mixture, and then we're going to shape it. So we want to make it like a patty. So we can add a little bit more and shape it. Okay, so that's how it should look. Let's continue. Add some water. Shape it. Should be like a little elongated and a little oval maybe. So continue to shape it, and once it's done, we can fry it. So switch on your stove. I'm using a wok, coat it with extra virgin olive oil. And once it heats up, we can start to fry our chicken koftas. The oil has heated up in the wok. Let's add in our first kofta. Let's fry it 2 at a time. I've prepared a colander and a paper towel. We're going to remove the excess oil from it when it's fried. You have to turn it every 30 seconds so that it cooks evenly and it doesn't stick. So we're going to cook it at least about 5 to 7 minutes on each side. And once everything is prepared and cooked, we'll show you the end result. So I've just fried the last chicken kofta and I've switched off the stove, and this is how our chicken kofta looks. It gives you about 9 koftas. Doesn't it look beautiful? Okay, so it's time to plate it. And there you go. This is my chicken kofta with a Mediterranean salad, pita bread, and I've used raita. But you can also use Greek yogurt to dip your kofta in. You can also eat it with couscous. See my previous recipes for the couscous recipe if you need it. So if you enjoyed viewing this video on my channel, Comfy Foods by Cass, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.